CapCut text behind character tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, simply open CapCut. Now click on new video. Here I will simply upload the photo or video that I want to add text behind. For example, I will add that photo. Now I will wait for some seconds. So for adding text behind the photo, I will simply copy that photo again. Now I will simply click on that second part. Here on down, I will simply scroll on right. You guys will see overlay. So simply click on overlay. Now I will simply again match it with the first one. So for that, I will simply click here. Now I will make it on the right like that. Now I will simply write a text. For example, I want to write I am dingo. I am dingo. So I write it. Now I will add beautiful font. So let's add some type of font. Let's add that font. Now for adding that text behind, I will simply click on overlay image. Now here and down, I will scroll on right. Here you guys will see remove BG. So simply click on remove BG. Now click on auto removal. Now here we go. Our background was removed. Now go to text. Now you guys will see on right when you scroll layers. So simply click on layers. Now here you guys will see overlay. So simply hold on text and get on background. Once you do that, after that I will size the text. You guys can see our text was added on background. Now I will simply size it. When you guys send text on background, you guys cannot move it and size it. So for that, I will simply go to layers again. Here I will add it again on top. Now here I will size it. For example, I want like that amount on background. Now I will go to again layers. Here I will do the same again. And that's it. Our text was added on background character. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.